Okay, this is QualiCare Maids, and today we are doing a move out / move in kitchen. Cleaning, excuse me. We are doing a move out, move in cleaning. And as always, we have our work cut out for us, but we're going to get this place spick and span. And as you can see, got Miss Deborah in here, and we'll be doing the bathroom, cleaning these shelves, and of course this bedroom. Let's give you one more look before we get started cleaning. And we'll be taking this mirror out. Okay, we're finishing up, and as you can see, we've got everything cleaned in here. Now let's walk out of here. Toilet is clean. Let's give you a shot of the bathroom. Okay. And a shot of the shower. Okay, now we're walking out. And we're in the bedroom. As you can see, Miss Deborah is doing the floors. Everything here has been wiped down. But this is the best part right here. Remember this living room? Okay. Remember how bad it was in this living room? Let's slow it down a little bit. And back out. Okay, we're finishing up now. Remember that table? Okay. Now look at the kitchen. Simply beautiful. But you got to see this, folks. This is the refrigerator. Yep, and let's give you a shot of the freezer. This is the freezer. Okay. And we've got the stove top. And, of course, we couldn't forget the microwave. Now we are finishing up here, and let's just give you a view. So all we have to do now is take this mirror out and mop out. Everything is being cleaned from the table on up. Thank you for tuning in to QualiCare Maids, and when you need a real house cleaning, deep cleaning, decluttering or organization, give us a call. QualiCare Maids at 704-218-9645. Have a great day.